All right, class, as promised, I was going to give you an example of how to draw out the nerve system. And so let's do the ulnar nerve. And we might start with an M shape of a brachial plexus. And we know the ulnar nerve is C8T1 in its origin. Let's bring that ulnar nerve down. As it passes through the arm, it's going through the medial intermuscular septum. It's running through the cubital tunnel. Maybe it's a two, make a circle, maybe an arch for the going underneath the tendinous arch of flexor carpi ulnaris. It passes, along the surface of flexor digitorum profundus. And what's nice is these two are innervation of the ulnar. We can go through Guyon's canal. Before that, we could give off a dorsal cutaneous nerve to the dorsum of 4, or half of 4 really, and 5. Somewhere near the Guyon's canal, we can create a deep branch and a superficial branch. The superficial is going to go to the palmar side of 1/2 of 4 and 5 digits. The deep branch, we could say, goes to all hand muscles except, and then deal with your thenar group, right? So except for what goes to the median. So you could sit there and create muscular branches to go to like abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, opponens digiti minimi, lumbricals 3 and 4, dorsal interossei, palmar interossei, last one being adductor pollicis, that type of functional distribution. So you've got cutaneous distributions, you have muscular distributions, you have important passage points. You could pretend you do lesions along the way, but that's a simple way of drawing this out with some different types of symbology, okay? And then you could repeat the same thing for median nerve, repeat the same thing for radial nerve. You could do the same thing with the arterial system and look at the branching pattern. Like with the artery system, you could do brachial, starts at teres major, splits into radial and ulnar. Ulnar is going to give off an anterior ulnar recurrent that matches up with the inferior ulnar collateral and do those types of branchings, okay? So that's an example of drawing. Thank you.